After trying the Baby Got Blush and Baby Got Glow liquid blush and highlighter for about a week now, I've come to the conclusion that there may be a few points that one could consider and a few tips and tricks when you're either looking to buy these products or try these products. So no matter where you are in makeup, whether you are a beginner, you haven't touched a makeup brush yet, or you're a professional, I find that these products are versatile and can be utilized and applied by absolutely anyone and everyone. That's how versatile and universal these products really are. The pigmentation of these products are not by any means difficult to disperse or apply and blend into the skin. And although it's not very pigmented, one can most definitely let it sit on the skin for a minute, okay, maybe not a minute, maybe like, I don't know, 20 seconds or so. And then this will actually allow the pigmentation of the blush to just set a bit before you go and basically wipe it away. Now, don't get me wrong, I used quite a lot here, but I like my finish to be quite vivid. Now, some would say this is a ton of product that I just applied to the skin, but honestly, you're going to see now that it blends absolutely subtly and beautifully. And I use this much amount of product because I like a pigmented blush. So it all depends. You can really go in with a tiny bit, or you can go in and really make that cheek pop. After blending it, I always like to add some concealer just to, like, merge everything together. But if you really want a pigmented and beautiful glowy look, then I would say go in with a slightly heavier hand. And I mean, I could just keep it as is, add my concealer and carry on with my day. But I like to sometimes go in with a powder blush and then just create more depth and dimension on top of this, and to give it a little bit more of a vibrancy. It's subtle yet beautiful, and if a mistake is made, it can easily be rectified. That's how easy this product is to blend and disperse. Oh, but see, sometimes an oopsie like that happens. It's happened to me a few times. But it's okay, we go with it. I always say you can never have too much highlighter, in my opinion. But see, that's a little oopsie now, but it's okay. And the same goes for the highlighter. You can literally let it build a bit. Oh, as you can see, yeah, I went a bit crazy now. I don't know what to do. Hey, look, see, like the highlighter just wants to be on my face, I'm telling you. Cause, like, seriously, Michelle, why on earth would you do that? But anyway, there's no going back now. Gonna be a glowy girl today. But I mean, come on guys, how freaking stunning is that not? Ooh. So not gonna lie, I made a huge mistake there with the highlighter, but I'm so glad that actually happened, because that just once again showcases how versatile and easy this product is to use. Like, no, you can mess up and you can fix it, like, and it'll still look gorgeous. So I really do like these products. Like, it's easy to use and they smell amazing.